This poor guy is sick today, so I'm gonna do the talking here. But anyway, he's got the mill out and ready to go. We got a bunch of logs over here. He's gonna cut up a lot of dimensional lumber that we will use to build on our pole barn and garage build. Let's get to it. First log is done here, and we got 8 2x6s out of that log. How long are they, babe?
They're 12 feet.
12 feet. Okay, awesome. Let's do the next log. What a disappointment that is. This giant oak log is rotten in the middle. The whole thing rotten. Oh well.
Yeah, you win some and you lose some. Fortunately, we have a lot more trees that we can cut down, so we'll just toss this one to the side.
There we go. Got 8 more 2x6s added to the pile. And wow, what a beautiful day it is.